So, generative AI has already had a dramatic impact on the business world and helped improve productivity in many ways. So, business communicators and professional marketers would probably be wise to get behind AI or risk getting left behind. If you're interested, I'll be doing a series of tutorial videos on how to use AI effectively, specifically Copilot, which is Microsoft's generative AI system. But if you're a creative, it's understandable that you'd want your output to be, 100% your own. So you might want to turn Copilot off, if only to get rid of the various prompts. Now, just closing that Copilot window doesn't actually turn it off. In order to do that, we're going to have to go over here to the File menu, and then all the way down to the Options. And here you'll see one of the tabs is Copilot. Just click on it. You can. It's currently turned on. Just hover over anything to get the additional information and turn it off. Then click OK. And just like that, the Copilot prompt is gone. And if you want to turn it back on, it's just a matter of following the exact same procedure. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about turning on and deactivating Microsoft's Copilot in Word.